Hello, and welcome. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to delete labels in WhatsApp Business. Labels are a great feature for organizing chats, orders, or leads, especially if you're running a small business. But over time, some labels may become outdated or unnecessary, and that's when you'll want to delete them. Let's get started, step by step. First, unlock your phone and open the WhatsApp Business app as usual. Make sure you're logged in to the correct account where the labels you want to delete are located. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the main screen. Then tap on Labels. Here, you'll see a list of all the labels you've created or used. Scroll through your label list and tap on the label you want to delete. This will show all the chats or contacts currently using that label. But don't worry, deleting a label won't delete the chats, only the label itself. To delete the labels, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the label screen. Then tap Delete Label. You'll be asked to confirm, tap Delete. That's it. You've successfully learned how to delete labels in WhatsApp Business. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your app clean and organized, especially if you deal with a lot of customers every day. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more business tips and tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.